What's up everybody? Welcome back to another Tiffany Outdoors vlog video. Today we're going to do some updates. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the Farmer.
On a U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, boo.
First update is on the DIY non-toxic weed killer. Let's go have a look around. First stop, over here by the air conditioning unit. Let's take a look. You can see there's grass growing up everywhere, and it's only been a few weeks. Then that happened. I hope it's not too loud, but I sprayed all back here. And there's still tons of grass, and this has only been a few weeks. Okay. Moving on. Y'all remember these weeds? They didn't look happy, and they still don't. See, the grass is dead down there, so that's good. And the stalk has completely died on this one weed that I didn't know what it was. Grassy looking weed, and it's just kind of fallen over dead, so that's dead, along with this. And this milkweed looking stuff here is still not looking happy, so it's still dying, but we also have some new growth. Don't know. Alright. And I wish I had marked the stuff that I sprayed. I wish I had marked it off with a flag. Farm friend. That is Jack. Every rabbit we see is called Jack. It could be Jack number 1 or Jack number 1000. I know I sprayed some of this, but not sure where. Since I don't know. But let's go check this honeysuckle. I know I sprayed that. My round pen is partially collapsed. All of this has collapsed. So 1/3 of my round pen has no walls. It's another repair. The list of repairs never ends. Part of farming. It has really died back a lot. There's a lot of dead leaves down in there. I'm not sticking my hands too far in there because I see a black widow spider web down there. But a lot of this stuff has died back. Huh. Oh wow, yeah. Soft in there. Let me zoom past all of this stuff. Look at that. A lot of it has died off. There's a lot of die off in there. A lot, look, all that died off. A lot of die off up here too. A lot of die off. There's also still a lot of green in there too. So maybe a second coat. Trying to remember if I sprayed in here. I don't know. Y'all really should have marked it off. I really should have. Alright, let's go over by my work table. Okay, I know I sprayed these little doohickeys. And there's a tiny bit of die off there at the end. But for the most part, it looks happy and green. Happy and green. Let's see what else. Oh. I did spray some of this creeping Virginia vine here. Looks like some of it may have died off, but it's still here. And it's still spreading, 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 spreading. And I'm trying to remember if I sprayed anything over here. Y'all, why didn't I mark this stuff? Usually I think ahead and mark stuff when I do it, just so I can see. Alright, I know I sprayed this grass here. And that grass looks fine. It's still green. And I'm pretty sure I sprayed this. It doesn't look happy, but it's still here in green. There's a spider on that leaf. Right on that leaf there. It's kind of a little funky spider. But, it doesn't look happy, but it doesn't look that dead. What else? Some of it looks dead-ish right in here. And this is centipede. But then, bam, it came right back green. And that's the other side. Do a side-by-side comparison. You can't even hardly tell. There are some dead-looking dry bits in there. A little bit. A little bit. Right in there, a little bit. Right in here doesn't look very happy, but it still has a good root. It's got a good strong root still. So my opinion on the DIY non-toxic weed killer, people claim that it's better than Roundup. I cannot agree with that claim at all. If I had sprayed Roundup on this, that stuff would be already dead. Within 2 days, it is just dead, wilted and dead, and it doesn't come back. A lot of this stuff has come back. It kind of worked on the honeysuckle. I think maybe I'll spritz it again or spray it down again a second time to see. Maybe it just depends on what you're trying to kill. Like it made the centipede go yellow, but after a few weeks it turned green again. It didn't die off. Not at all. So better than Roundup? Not. Alright y'all, I'm going to close this video out. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.